Ever wondered what the three-digit number on the back of your debit card is? It is called the CVC, and in this video, I'll show you what is CVC and debit card and how you can find it on yours. CVC stands for Card Verification Code, and it is a security feature used to verify that you have the physical card when making online or phone purchases. It is also known as CVV or Card Verification Value or CSC, Card Security Code, depending on your card issuer. Finding your CVC is simple. On most debit and credit cards, you'll find it in the back, usually a three-digit number next to the signature strip. For Amex cards, also known as American Express cards, the CVC is 4 digits and it is located on the front above the card number. The CVC helps prevent fraud by ensuring that only the cardholder can complete online transactions, and that's why you should never share it with anyone. So now you know what CVC is and where to find it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.